going on, guys? Giving y'all an update what's going on over here. On my LS swap Regal. Giving y'all an update. Nice weather out here. I think it's like I'm Mississippi, Louisiana. I'm at the Mississippi River. Let y'all see what's going on here. That's a quick update. Been working. Spending time with the family. But that's it. That's my 5.7 4080. I just took off the Fitech intake harness, transmission harness. I gotta put my adapters for the engine on. This is the intake here. I'm selling it. This is the Fitech 70007 high-rise intake, cathedral ported. That's the harness. I just put it up for sale on eBay. Just did it not too long ago, maybe about an hour or two ago. But this is it right here. Lit dust from the tarp on there. Screen, computer, harness, transmission harness on here somewhere. About to have to box it up. I'm putting a LS6 intake on here, and I'm either gonna repin a harness or just buy one from LT1swap.com. Guy named Brandon always help me out, man. I ain't been emailed him in a while, but man, he helped me out on how to repin harnesses going through his computer. But this is what I'm doing. Give y'all guys an update. Let me take this off. I'm sanding, so I got the face mask on. I don't do no sanding without a face mask. I'm sanding on the underframe. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I did that, all that sanding in there, painted it up. Now I'm on the bottom, sanding, using a 3M. Using this 3M number 60. Sandpaper. Scuff it up. I'm gonna clean it up. Just took the bracket off the floor. Took this little cover off the passenger side floor pan so I can get to the metal. Just give you guys an idea. I'm gonna come back, hit it with some more. It's just knocking the top off. Hitting the tunnel. It had some coating on here already, but it's wearing, so I'm going up under here, knocking it off, doing it right. I got another cable I gotta put in there from B&M. I got another cable that go on there, another bracket that's on that cable. I got a B&M cable that's gonna work with the 4L80. But just give you guys an update. I got this far. You can see how scuffed. You can see the fresh paint, that old paint right there. I'm knocking all that off, and doing it right. You can see that. Doing the frame. You can see I'm knocking the frame paint, knocking it off. So I got that far to the tunnel, so I'm coming on back. See, I got my upper control arms on, my new ones, my lower ones over there. Got new ball joints, bushes in them, painted up. I'm waiting on, see, I put some new caulking strip here, 3M caulking strips. If you guys want to know what to use on that, that's what I put on there. I put a new heater core. I got a new evaporator inside the car. I'm gonna sit in here. You see, I put new caulking strip in there to seal it off. It didn't have any right there. I may put some on there. It should, if it gets past that, I got a problem, so I may not even wear it with it. But I ordered another pivot arm inside the car. It broke, that controls this flapper from going from, let's see, from hot, when I turn the switch to cold, it controls this. So I ordered another flapper from GBodyParts.com. You can see I got my mounts on, my clamshells on the back of my truck. I gotta get them ready. just giving you guys an update. You can see, I told y'all about the Jeep steering shaft. I took my old one off, had the rag joint on it. Where is it? It's around here somewhere. With the old one, this the new one here. You see, U-joints. This side gonna go, let's see, this side here goes to the steering pump. The gear down there, and I took this side to go up to the steering wheel. And on that steering wheel, I'm gonna have to notch out a part of that shaft on that steering wheel to bypass this bolt. So I'm gonna notch it out, put like a U shape in there so it can slip in there, and then this bolt will lock it on. I ain't gonna have a problem. I've done that before. Let me lay that back down. Just give you guys a quick update. Got all my harness ready. I'm gonna set my other harness back inside here through the firewall. Let's see. I don't have my keys probably. Yeah, I got them. You can see the new evaporator in there. You can see what I'm talking about. I got my old harness out. This wall right here. Push it out from this plug here. Here they got a bracket that holds this on, and man, it's hard to get to. You gotta remove it, part of the inner fender to get to these bolts on this bracket. I don't know what that bracket is right now, but it's around here somewhere. But I pushed this harness out that way. I didn't pull it in, pushed it out. And you can see the piece that I'm talking about that I'm waiting on. It's in there. It's actually this piece here. What controls that door from going to hot. Let's see how it go. That piece broke off, so I think it's like that. Yep, something like that. And you put it to hot, and it goes in. And you put it to cold, and it pulls it. The door. Let's see. You push it to cold, it pushes this in, it closes the flapper. Yep, it closes the heater core off. So it pushes the heater core in. With that rod up there. It connects to this rod right here. And let's see. Give you guys an idea. Just in case y'all have a problem with switching from cold to hot. And it's got a hole down in here in this base here. It's a piece goes up in here. And you gotta twist it counterclockwise and pull it up. Don't try to pull straight up on it because you'll break it. It's a piece that goes in there that connects onto this piece. See this hole? And it'll be going into that box. Turn it counterclockwise and pull up. And you can see that rod. Let's see where it's at. This rod here, when I pull from, when I go to cold, it pulls it. This goes that way, and it pulls this rod in. And then when I push it to hot, like this, it pushes this rod here, like that. So you can see, let's see. And it allows the heat to come through. Let me give you an idea on what it's doing here. It's allowing the heat to close this box off. And it's got a vent down there. Because if you close this, you stop the circulation. So it's got a vent. That vent around there closes it off, sends it through there. You get the idea. You block the heat off. You open it up, allow your air conditioner to be used. And you got this hole here. Where your evaporator get cold. You got water that goes through there. And you got extra wire. Let me get that piece up. Glad I seen that because that's trash. That blocks that off. You got a door down there that catches excess water and debris from, where's the little screen at? I got it put up somewhere. There it is. When debris comes in through this mesh screen here, and it bypasses it, get in there. So you want that to be open there, down there, so the trash can fall out. This your fresh air supply right here through the firewall. So just give you guys an update if y'all have problems. I ran it today, so that slowed my process down because I want to put that arm on there to make sure that door closes right. So I run into something. I try to fix it while I'm there, especially while all this is open here. But yeah, just give you guys an update, man, on what's going on here. I still got to put my sway bar links and tie rod links on, but that's gonna all be last. I gotta put my condenser on. That's inside the car, brand new condenser. I got a brand new what is it? Accumulator. Put that on. I gotta get some air conditioning lines. I'm gonna go get something made because I didn't have them when the guy sold me the car. So I'm gonna do that. Now my rod over there that controls the transmission on the leverage, because I want my steering wheel to continue to be used. It said it got a part you can use to keep the steering wheel, to lock it, to be able to start it while it's in drive and in neutral, because that's got to work. That rod there, it's got to work with the steering wheel to know when it's in park and in neutral. So they said they got a low car linkage that you could use, because I'm running headers on here. So I'm gonna try to see how that work. I'll update y'all on how that turn out. But man, just giving you guys a quick update on what's going on, man. Getting it done here. You know what I mean? Getting it done. GBody. Getting ready. Trying to hit this classic next year. It's gonna be in Cleveland, Ohio. I'm gonna take my Regal. Take this Regal just like I took the last Regal out there. And see if I can make this calendar again. So I missed this year because I took the 307 out. I could have took it up there with the 307, but I wasn't pleased with it. So I want to do something that I'm happy with, so I can go ahead and get this car painted over the winter. This my last Regal was an everyday. I'm not gonna use this one every day. It could be an everyday car, but I think this one I may keep it. I got a T-type too. It's put up 87 T-type, white, maroon interior. Had it up for sale, but I may sell it. I don't know. I got somebody who want to buy it. But if this old man sell me the Grand National, it's definitely going. But this something right here. My son just turned 11. Hopefully there's something I could probably get to him if he's into it. He like to ride with me when I'm riding in these cars, man. I want this something that I could pass down to him. So, man, just giving you guys an update, man. Y'all stay blessed out there and be safe.